What is attachment? People who are pursuing a spiritual path often get confused. What is attachment? We love our family, we love our children. What is the meaning of attachment? Let us try to understand it. A little fly tries to enjoy honey in a cup. It goes and starts enjoying the delicious honey. It enjoys it so much that it flies and comes back, flies and comes back. It becomes attached to the honey. It starts craving. It becomes obsessed to have the honey. So it comes back and sits on the honey and enjoys it. Without realizing, its delicate wings sink into the honey and get heavy. They get wet. Soon, the fly sinks in the honey and dies. Haven't you seen a fly often enjoying your tea in your teacup? But it gets attached to the tea. As long as it was drinking the tea and enjoying it without being attached to it, it doesn't sink. But we human beings, like this fly, we get attached to our desires, our cravings. But attachment is beyond that. There was a man who once was hanging on the tree. And hanging on the tree, he said, "Save me, save me, save me." A saint was passing by with his followers. And the followers told the saint, "He's asking for help." The saint made them understand. You see, he is complaining about hanging on the tree, and he says, "I am being poked by the tree. I am suffering. Save me." But look at him. He is clinging onto the tree. The tree is not clinging onto him. He wants those fruits up on the tree. He is attached to those fruits and the tree. So he's clinging onto the tree. So how can he be free if he clings onto the tree? This is what attachment is. We cling on to people. We cling on to relationships. We cling on to our desires and cravings. And ultimately, we cry. We suffer. Attachment is not very difficult. To understand attachment, think of a spider creating its own web. It creates its web and then is moving all around the web. And ever so often, the spider gets stuck in its own web. We human beings, we create our own world, our world of attachments. And then we get stuck like the spider in our own web. So understand the meaning of attachment. Attachment is when we have expectations from people. Our expectations are not met, we suffer. We get overly possessive of our near and dear ones. And then even the slightest of disappointment breaks our heart. Understand the difference between loving somebody and being attached. When you love somebody without any expectation, you love. Your unconditional love is perfect. But when you love somebody and have expectations, that is attachment. When your heart breaks at the smallest disappointment, that is attachment. When you cling on to something, that is attachment. Attachment is the opposite of liberation. Liberation is our ultimate goal. Freedom, mukti, moksha, nirvana. Let us realize that we must be free, not cling onto the tree. Let us realize that we can enjoy the tea, but not sink into it and die. Let us realize that we can create our own world, but not get caught in our own web. Let not attachment destroy our peace and happiness in life.